Web of this side, and in this video I want to talk to you about affirmations, and if you have tried using affirmations to reprogram yourself in the past and if it didn't work out for you, what could be the reason behind it. We are going to discuss the principle behind using the affirmation and the right way to use it to reprogram your subconscious mind. So make sure that you stay till the end, as I am going to discuss not only the mistake that people make while using the affirmations but also the solutions to it, so that you can successfully optimize your subconscious mind for the desired outcome to move closer toward your goals. Before I begin, I want to take a minute to announce that I am doing a free giveaway of my book Reality Bending. If you want to enter into the competition to win it, just comment Reality Bending in the comment section, and every single Thursday I am going to pick one lucky winner to give my book completely free in the ebook format. Also, if you are new on this channel, here we talk about personal development, brain science, transformational psychology, spirituality and ancient wisdom. So if these topics interest you, make sure that you subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I put any new video. And with that, let's get started with this video. So in this video, I want to talk to you about affirmations and what are the mistakes people make while using them, and what is the right way of using them to make it work for you. If you are into personal development or law of attraction for any amount of time, I am pretty sure that you know what affirmations are, right? So first of all, what I want you to know is that we all are using affirmation on our day-to-day life, whether unconsciously or consciously. Why did I say this? So look at it this way. If you are telling yourself that you are not good enough, you are not attractive, you are not confident, you are poor, then you are still using the affirmation, but you are using it unconsciously to downgrade yourself. What is affirmation? Affirmation is a statement that you keep repeating and telling yourself over and over again to a point where this become an auto suggestion. This is what affirmation really is. If you are telling yourself that you are not good enough, you are poor, you are not attractive, you are affirming that to yourself but on unconscious level. I want you to know that affirmations are very powerful way to impress upon our subconscious mind, because understand that our subconscious mind learn through repetition, and when we use affirmation for a long time, it reprogram your subconscious mind with the message that you want to give it via affirmation. Now I got to know about affirmations by reading the book called Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill, and back then I was intrigued by this concept. Napoleon Hill has talked about this concept of auto suggestions, which can be ingrained within you by using the affirmations, telling yourself that I am rich, I am confident, I am healthy. And I have used affirmations back then. So while growing up, I was quite introvert by nature and I wanted to be more extrovert and confident when it comes to socializing and talking to the people. And then I used affirmations like I am confident, I can talk to anyone easily, etc., etc., and they worked for 2 or 3 days. But I again revert back to my old pattern of behavior, being an introvert, and then I started digging deeper into this understanding of why the affirmations are not producing the lasting result. Why my subconscious mind is not getting programmed. So in this video, that is what we are going to talk about. What are my findings and how I eventually made them work, and how you can use affirmations the right way to make them work for you to produce the lasting results. Now the biggest mistake people make while using the affirmation is that they do it to get something out of it. So what do I mean by that? Well, so let's say someone wants to make a lot of money and they use the affirmation like I am rich, I am manifesting huge amount of money in my life, and they do it with the expectation of getting a lot of money, and they do it for some time, and if money doesn't show up, they say things like, oh, it's bullshit, it's not working. So their main goal behind using affirmation is to get something out of it, and this is where it becomes the pitfall. Understand that the main objective behind using the affirmations is to reprogram our subconscious mind for this new belief, so that a new behavior can come out of it, behavior which is in alignment with this new belief. Because whatever belief you hold within yourself becomes your reality. Whatever belief we have for ourselves, whatever belief we have for our life in general, we tend to see our reality with those lenses of belief. So to give an example, if my belief is that I'm not good at making videos, my actions are going to be in alignment with this belief. I will procrastinate in creating videos. I will be like, oh, what's the point, in doing this? I'm not good at making videos anyhow. Then why create it? And I will procrastinate. And even if I manage to create a video, I will cherry pick instances in it that will confirm that this belief is true, that will confirm this belief that I am not good at making videos. So let's say if someone commented something bad in any of my video, my mind will point at it and say, see, I told you, you are not good at making videos. Here is a proof. This is how our mind works. It's like this concept of confirmation bias. Whatever belief your mind holds, it has this tendency to interpret anything as confirmation of this existing belief. So just take a step back and understand how these beliefs are really formed and how our mind get programmed with them, right? So mostly it happen at the unconscious level. Mostly these beliefs are picked up by us when we are young and innocent. So to give an example, if someone tells you that you are not good enough because of XYZ reason, you will pick up that belief if you assume this XYZ reason to be true. This reason becomes proof for the mind to install this new belief that you are not good enough. So understand that our mind accepts anything when it has enough proof supporting that idea. Why do you know the gravity exists? Because you have proof of it. Why do you know that you should not touch fire? Because you have proof of you being burned by the fire in the past. So our mind always needs proof to believe in something, and same goes for the affirmations. If you are not providing your mind enough proof backing up your affirmations, it will never accept it. Now whenever we use any affirmation, what we are actually doing is that we are launching a new design for our life. So to give an example, let's say I want to create excellent videos and I want to reprogram my mind with this idea that I am good at making videos, and I use this affirmation that I make excellent videos. By doing this, what I'm really doing is I am launching a new design for my reality. But if I continue to use affirmation without giving my mind enough proof to back this affirmation up, this design will remain incomplete. You have to close this loop, in order for this affirmation to become your reality, in order to reprogram your subconscious mind with this new belief. So how to really close this loop, so for this design to get completed, for this loop to be closed, you have to consciously give your mind any tiny proof that exists in your reality backing up your affirmation. So if let's say one single person subscribe to my channel, it's a proof. I have to consciously tell my mind, look, someone has subscribed to my channel, it means I make great videos. Look, someone liked my video, proof I am making excellent videos. Oh, I got more views than usual, I am excellent in making videos. Whatever tiniest of the proof that I can find to support my affirmation, I will consciously pick that up and give it to my mind. I will ignore anything else, that doesn't sit well with my affirmation. So let's say someone put a negative comment, I will ignore it. Someone disliked my video, I will ignore it. So this is the key. Consciously pick anything, even tiniest of the proof that supports your affirmation and give it as a proof to your mind. Idea is to overwhelm your mind with any proof that you can manage to give it, regardless how small it is, and ignore everything else. Ignore anything that doesn't support this new idea, and over time, with so many proof supporting your affirmations, your mind will have no choice than to accept this affirmation as true, and it will eventually become a belief. It will eventually become your new reality. And once this belief is formed, your mind, your RAS will automatically start looking for proof to support this belief. I have actually created a whole video on how beliefs are formed and how you can reprogram your mind to install new belief. So you can click up here to watch that video. So whatever your affirmation is, start consciously looking for any possible proof where it is true for you and ignore everything else. Just focus on this tiniest proof and expand it with your focus. Whatever you choose to focus on, you bring more and more of that experience in your life, right? And with that, I'm concluding this video. Please comment down below to let me know if that was useful or if you have any question, and I will be more than happy to answer them. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, much love and peace.